everyone, and welcome to our Fairway Rebuild Project. It's been a hot minute since Isaiah and I have updated you guys, and we have a really good reason. Good reason is that someone has actually purchased this home.
It has been sold.
It has been sold. So we're going to continue doing some periodic updates, but probably not as many as we normally would because, well, now it's somebody's home. Someone is going to live here. So the new homeowners have a couple of designers that are going to finish making all of the selections and help them through the design process. So I think that means I've been fired. That's kind of sad.
I think so, yeah.
Darn it.
Sorry, Sally.
But Isaiah, how are we doing from a construction standpoint?
So we just got done doing the electrical walkthrough, which means we're probably within the next week or so, we'll start doing electrical. And then shortly after that, we'll do our rough-in inspections, and then all this is going to get covered up by sheetrock shortly. So.
Nice. So then it won't be so cold.
Yeah.
Awesome. So we're plugging right away.
Yeah.
On track to close in August and make some people some happy homeowners.
Yeah, I think they're going to
So
like
as
it.
we get farther along and more substantial changes happen, we will post pictures and videos. But I guess I don't have a job anymore. I'm handing it off to you, buddy.
Yeah.
That's your Fairway Rebuild update for today.